Hi, I'm Peter Kay. I want to talk about healing Qi Gong, and this is where you do the healing with the energy, with moving your hands above somebody's body without actually touching the person's frame. It's a very cool experience. You can actually feel the energy moving inside normally when you use acupuncture. So instead of using the needles, you're just using energy from your hand, and you just practice to be able to project energy with your intention from your hand, and you can move energy in the living. You can actually feel it moving. You can feel it moving the meridians. You can feel it moving around your body. During this time, of course, we're not doing a 4-year degree or a 6-year degree. We're doing just introducing it to as a practice you can do anywhere at home, and you can do it with your family, you can do it with your children. I invite you to bring a partner, bring a friend with you so you can practice together when outside of the course, and how you can use it in your day-to-day life. So come along and do the course. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, and you get a different look of how you can help people with a very, very simple method that's very, very useful in all parts of your life. See you soon. Bye-bye.